Inte. Hey, real quick, before I say something, I'm gonna take you on the world's quickest house tour. Whoa! Kitchen, dining room, pantry, living room, hallway, more hallway, study. This is where I live. Now, wasn't that exciting? Oh. Hopefully I don't have any boogers. Okay, enough shenanigans. Whoa. It's hard to get them all in one frame, but dadgummit, focus on the knife, not my face. Here, maybe if I put it on my face, see the little knife, and then the big knife. If you guys are interested in owning this or any other cool knives, go ahead and check out the link in the description. If you go there and anything you buy, use the promo code BobbyDuke at checkout, free shipping on your entire order. So check it out. Also, a quick update on BetterHelp. I have been now using it for about a month. Just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea how it works and what I feel about it. And this is not just because, you know, they're sponsoring me, but I really like BetterHelp. As I mentioned in the last video, you know, I deal with anxiety and depression. I've been dealing with it for a long time. Taking care of your mind and psyche is just as important as taking care of your body. So the way BetterHelp works is you sign up, they pair you with somebody that fits your personality and your issues or whatever you're dealing with. Where is my phone? It's right here. You hop on video like FaceTimes with a counselor. Everybody's got a smartphone and it is so much easier than driving to an office. And not only that, but you can message if you're having a rough time, you can message that person anytime. And honestly, when you break it down, it's way cheaper than conventional counseling or therapy. Sometimes those places will cost over $100 per visit. Even if you don't have major issues, you know, like phones ringing. Hello?
Hi, this is Meg. Insurance plan?
Oh, that's so interesting.
Enrollment period starts.
Oh! Oops. I love spam calls. Oh, shot. Anyways, back to what I was saying. BetterHelp, great product, great service. It also not only helps you, but it helps me, because anybody who signs up using the link in the description, it's betterhelp.com/BobbyDuke. To all the people that have signed up using that, thank you. I appreciate it, and thank you for helping yourself. Mustache. Yeah, that's pretty much it, bye.